Just to Lucky.
Don't give it to Lucky. But what are we doing, Bradley? What are we doing?
I don't know what you're doing. I'm not part of this.
We're microwaving Jello. What seems like a good timer, Bradley? Bradley, it's on. It's on. Jello tastes disgusting.
2 minutes and just keep adding 30 seconds until it explodes.
All right, I'll clean this up. I
You're
don't know.
clearing it up.
I'll clean it up. We're both gonna clean it up.
Hey, yo. Hey, zoom out. I'm in that reflection.
Yo, so am I. Facials are 10K, right, Bradley?
Yeah. What about you after me?
You're like, you can have it. I wonder if it gets over. I wonder if it's gonna like melt and liquefy and turn into like soup, Jello soup. Will you eat Jello soup? I do eat a bit. Eat some. Does he put the spoon in? I hope not.
It's just natural fireworks if you leave the spoon.
Mm-hmm. It seems to be. Ooh, I see a bubble. Ooh, some of it spilled out. It melted. See, there's some on the floor on the bottom.
The floor of the microwave. Let's go.
It's boiling. It's bubbling up. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Uh-oh.
You just leave that in there. Wait for your mom to come back in the morning.
You have a point.